Hi guys, welcome to my channel and welcome to today's video. So today's video is going to be an Eid shopping video. I want to show you guys two salwar sets, footwear that I would be pairing the salwar set with, some jewelry. I'm going to show you some nail stuff. I'm going to show you some hair care, all those kind of things. So let's quickly get started because I really cannot begin to show you guys the dress that I've gotten for myself for Eid. Both of these are from this brand Libas Art. Libas is one of my most favorite brands when it comes to salwar suit ka shopping. I have like most of my salwar kameezes are from Libas, and I feel like over the years Libas has actually done a very good job with the designing first, and I think the quality has kind of considerably improved over the years. And Libas Art se maine kuch pehle liya tha. I really liked Libas Art. I got this set. It's so beautiful. It is, of course I bought it for Eid, but we can wear it at various functions. Like, of course, I do repeat my outfits, so you can wear it for shadi or mehndi or sangeet or whatever. You can wear it for functions, light functions. I'm going to put the current price over here, but I got this dress for 6,000 rupees. Let me just show you. This is what it looks like. I am not even sure if you'll be able to see because it's a beige color. It's a silk blend fabric, and it's like embroidered with dull gold thread with sequin, like beautiful embroidery. It is very beautiful. What you see on Myntra's website, Libas Art is also available on Amazon, by the way. So whatever you see on the website, actually in person this is much more prettier, and this is, I think, also available on Nykaa Fashion. This is what it looks like in the front. Very modest, sort of scoop neck, and some booties, and small like embroidery over here. It has a fine line of sequin running all across, so I don't think you really need to wear a neck piece with this one, or you can wear a small patla sa chain with this, because you do not really need anything heavy neck piece with this kurta set. This is what the kurta embroidery is like in the front, neck ke niche, and then it has small motifs, all embroidered with dull gold thread and sequin, and it's beautiful. Like, it's really pretty. And the back has the similar embroidery. Love the border part of it, the bottom part. So this one is heavily embroidered, like the bottom part, and the same embroidery runs in the sharara. So I love the fitting of this one. I got myself in the size medium, and I like how it falls on me. It slightly falls a little above my knee. Then it comes with this kind of a palazzo. The palazzo is actually a game changer. It's really pretty. First of all, elasticated bottom, and everything has lining, so it is very comfortable fabric. Like, it's very comfortable, nothing itches. Jaise iska gota patti is really itching me over here on my elbow. Nothing itches in this one. It's so beautiful, guys. The flare of one leg is this much, and it's like heavily embroidered all the way, everywhere, front and back, top to bottom. I'm going to give you the close-up, and this looks so stunning. It's so beautiful. It is just so gorgeous, and it is so much worth the price. Right now I think they're not on sale, so this particular piece is for around 11,000 rupees, but I got it for around 6,000 rupees. So that was a steal. If you want to purchase it, please wait a little while. The prices will go down for sure. And then it comes with this dupatta. So the dupatta's fabric is of the same fabric as that of the entire dress. It's a light beige color, and it has the same embroidery all around the border of the dupatta. So it's beautiful, and it is, I think, 1 meter with ka dupatta. So it's a very beautiful dress. This gets a thumbs up from me. It is still available on the website, just in case if you have not done your Eid shopping, or if you want a really nice beautiful sharara set for any function occasion. Probably you can buy it, or wait for some sale. That is something I would suggest. Wait for the sale to come so that the prices drops and you can buy it at a good price. So that's my recommendation. Moving on to another one from Libas Art. Honestly, I feel like I should be buying all the dresses that are available, all the salwar suits and everything available from Libas Art. It just has my heart. It is just so beautiful. I always fold my clothes inside out, so that's why it is inside out, especially with the one that is embroidery. So this is a very beautiful powder blue color, and it has a silver thread ka kadai all over. Like, not all over, it is not like that heavily embroidered, but it has embroidery on the yoke, and then it has a little embroidery like here and there, like this, and the back looks like this. So it's really pretty. And the fabric again is silk blend. What I loved about this one is that it has a beautiful neckline, and that it is such a beautiful color. It's a very pretty color for summer. I feel like it's a beautiful powder blue color, baby blue color, and just so soothing to the eyes. The fabric is slightly shiny because it is silk blend, but it is very comfortable to wear. It comes with this kind of a bottom, which is a sharara, or it's not a skirt, obviously, it's a palazzo, but it's a very wide legged one. It doesn't have any border, so if in case it is very long on you, you can get it altered. And this is just so comfortable. It's very breezy, of course, because it is very loose, but it just gives you the right silhouette, and it looks so pretty underneath this particular shirt. This also falls a little above my knee, which is the perfect length for this particular palazzo or sharara, if you want to call it. It's really nice, guys. And then it comes with this really nice dupatta, which is like moderately embroidered, but it is embroidered all over. It's this thread embroidery all over, and the dupatta has this kind of a scalloping, and it has sequins as well. So it's a very, very pretty number. I just love it. I think it's very elegant. It looks very sophisticated, but at the same time, you can wear it for functions, occasions. It's not too much, it's not too little. It is just, a beautiful balance of grace, beauty, and I think very, very feminine piece. I love this one. I think there's also a beautiful peach or a pink color in this one, but I any day would prefer a powder blue color. These two pieces are so amazing, I can't even begin to tell you. So moving on to footwear, I got this footwear. This is by House of Pataudi, and this was pretty much marked down on the website. This was only for 900 rupees, and I thought it's a beautiful, gold color that's going to go with everything. So I'm deciding to wear this dress for Eid, so it's going to go perfectly with this particular dress. However, this is not going to go with the blue outfit because it has, I think, 3-inch or 2.5-inch of heels, pencil heels, and these are very, very pretty, and they look very good on ethnic dresses, these kind of footwear from House of Pataudi. And I think this is also still available, so if you want to purchase it, you can go ahead and buy it. It looks really nice on all ethnic wear. So this was for around 900 rupees, and I absolutely love it. It just gives that perfect height, a good posture, and it doesn't really show if you're wearing a palazzo or if you're wearing a sharara. It doesn't really show, but a little bit of a peekaboo here and there just gives a very nice touch to the outfit because it's a very beautiful color. It's not very blingy, but it is, very nice. I think it's a very elegant piece. And then because I shopped the dress and the footwear, I thought, why not some jewelry? So I picked up something from Rubans. Of late, I really like this brand Rubans for the jewelry. They're really good, very, very good quality jewelry. I have their really dainty neck pieces. I have a ring from them. I have small little earrings from them that I've purchased in the past. So I wanted to buy something like big and blingy. This is too big for me. I mean, I'm not such a big earring wearer. I really go with minimal jewelry all the time, almost all the time. I thought this is a beautiful earring that will go with a lot of my dresses. Most of my dresses or Indian dresses are off-white, and this has all the colors that will match most of my outfits, I feel like. So I thought this is a good value for money stuff, and I think I paid around 900 or something for this particular piece. I'm gonna admit this is heavy, like this is heavy for the earring. So if you want to wear it for a photo shoot or something, like if you're wearing it for like, I don't know, my ears cannot take that much of a weight. Like because generally I don't wear very heavy earrings, but this is heavy. If you're used to wearing heavy earrings, you will really like it because it looks very pretty. It has pearl, it has kundan, it has everything, and it has some really beautiful pastel colors like blue and pink. That's gonna go with almost like everything. It's gonna go with this also, I think, with this dress also. So it's very, very pretty. Of course, I'm gonna give you the close-up. It is a very long chandelier kind of an earring, and it is very neatly crafted, and it's just a good quality piece. Like, and I got this one for no reason, honestly. I just loved it a lot. And I think I have a dress that's going to match with this particular earring for sure. So this was not for Eid actually, but I got this one. This is very lightweight, but it looks really pretty. It has pearl in it, and then it has some stonework and stuff. It has Rani color ka stone, green and blue. So I'm assuming that it probably will go with all of this. But I have a nice Rani color ka dress that I think I'm going to pair this up with. And this one has this kind of a clasp or something here at the back. So it holds up really nicely and it just doesn't weigh your ear down, which is something I really like. But in any case, this is very, very lightweight. This is also by Rubans. I'm not sure if this one is still available because I got it, I think, 1 month back. But it is a very, very pretty earring. Like, I love this earring a lot. I can wear this earring with all my, off-white outfits or maybe any color outfit because it has a lot of colors. So I love this earring a lot. And then I got myself a ring. I don't have big rings to wear for Indian wear, and I got one from Rubans. There were so many options, but honestly I don't know my ring size, so I don't know which one to order. So I went for the one which was like one size fits all, and there were not many options, so I went with this one. And it is a simple nagwala ring. I can adjust it on my finger wherever it fits, and I will wear it on my middle finger. Yeah, that was all the jewelry that I got from Rubans. I love Rubans, guys. Highly recommend you guys that you try out Rubans. I'm not really sure this earring is from. I think even this one is from Rubans. I don't really remember. But this is slightly heavy. It's very good quality earring. I bought it like again 3-4 years back. So it is kind of oxidized a lot. It is very pretty. I'm gonna get it polished or something. Moving on to a perfume that I think is really, really appropriate for my Eid, outfit, and for Eid especially, because I think this smells really Eid to me because it's a very nice sweet smell. This is Miss Dior by Dior. It's an eau de perfume and it smells so beautiful. Honestly, if I were to get, actually with Eid I associate a lot of fragrances because हमारे घर में ईद की एक अलग खुशबू होती थी, especially when my father was alive. He used to wear a beautiful itr, so the whole house would smell so amazing and divine. But now we don't have that, so I'm going to associate Eid with this beautiful scent. This actually smells like Eid. I'm not even joking. It's beautiful, sweet, little floral and powdery. It is an amazing scent, very feminine, delicate, expensive, rare. It is such a nice scent, especially if you like that girly scents, but with a bit of sophistication in it. So it is perfect for any age group, for any occasion obviously, but especially for functions and all, and especially for functions such as Eid, I think this is the most perfect scent. For me, I would always, I think from now on, would associate Eid with this scent because it smells Eid to me. Again, I'm telling you, it's a very fresh scent. It is very powdery, velvety, creamy, but sweet and floral. It is just one of the best scents that I have in my collection. I simply love it the most. Like, I wear it sparingly, I wear it on special occasions, and I'm saving it for Eid especially. So that was the perfume I went for. Then I got myself some nails. I'm not a very nail girly. I don't really take care of my nails because I just don't get the time to do that. I like to keep it short and I just like to keep it clean and bare. But this time I went for some stick-on nails from this brand Rene. Basically, they had the best reviews, and Rene is a brand that I know of as an amateur in nail art and stuff. I don't know a lot of brands, so I thought I'm going to give it a try, and each of these cost around 300 rupees. So I got myself one in a black color, one in a silver color, and the third one in a pink color. It comes with all the things, like it comes with a filer, it comes with that it comes with that toothpick kind of a poker thing, I think, to place the nails appropriately on your nails. It comes with that sticky thing that you remove and stick it on your nails. There's also a prep pad along with this. You just have to peel off that plasticky thing and press it on, and that's about it. If I don't do a lot of housework and all, maybe this will last me the entire day. And of course it is reusable, so I think it is value for money. Moving on to a nail paint that I got from Color Bar, which is what I'm wearing. This is just a clear nail paint. You remember the old school days when you used to wear, at least I used to wear, a clear nail paint with some glitter in it, and it is just so perfect for summers. I feel like it's not too much color, but there's slight bit of a shine on the nails, and with some, you know, beautiful confetti things, which is colorful, like reds and greens and blues. So it's very pretty, very young, very peppy, and something you really don't have to think before wearing. So I love this. Color Bar nail paints are any day my favorite nail paints, I think. So yeah, I picked up this. And then I got a new launch from L'Oreal. I got this shampoo. Actually, the same shampoo in different sizes, and I got the same complimentary conditioner. I ordered these two twice. I wanted the big size shampoo, and I, for some reason, actually mistook this to be the conditioner. However, this is the shampoo, but never mind, I'm going to use it. I received it yesterday, so I washed my head yesterday with the shampoo, and I washed my head today with the shampoo, and surprisingly, I really like this shampoo, mainly because with clear shampoos, I never had a good history. I think clear shampoos make your hair dry. I just have a thing in my head. I'm not sure if that's even true, but I feel like clear shampoos se hair काफी dry हो जाते हैं, but this is not like that. I think this is one shampoo that is very, very apt for my type of hair. Like, I have a very oily scalp and I have dry hair, so this actually targets that. This is L'Oreal Paris Hyaluron Pure 72-hour purifying shampoo with salicylic and hyaluronic acid. It removes oil and impurities, hydrates lengths, and this is for oily roots and dehydrated lengths. This is exactly what my hair is. Totally dehydrated Bejan Bal with oily scalp. So I thought maybe this does something good to my hair. I'm not really sure. So I picked up the biggest size and the small size. And then I went for this conditioner. This is the same conditioner, and it says that it rehydrates length with no weigh down. So I am assuming this is going to be good, and I love to condition my hair any day. So I love any hair conditioner. I'm not really picky with my shampoo and conditioner, but I'm really hoping that this turns out really good. Because in my last video, one of you actually asked me which lipstick was I wearing. This is the lipstick. This is a L'Oreal Paris ka 635 number Worth It Medium. It's a beautiful lipstick. The reason that I'm showing you this lipstick is because I repurchased it. Mera pehla wala lipstick my sister has taken because she loved the color, and no doubt it's a very, very, very pretty color. It looks so flattering in photos. It looks so flattering in person as well. It lasts pretty long time. It's just so perfect for all the Indian skin tones. I feel like you just cannot go wrong with Worth It Medium. I buy considerable number of lipsticks, and there are very few shades that hit that perfect spot. This is that one lipstick. Like, look no further, just order it. It's a very, very beautiful color. Doe foot applicator. It's a liquid lipstick, so it is definitely drying, but it just gives a very beautiful finish on the lips, and it's very lightweight, and it lasts for a very long time, and it's a perfect color. So this one, 635 Worth It Medium. So this was the one that I was actually wearing in my last video, and I'm going to wear this lipstick every single day, and I will be wearing this lipstick on Eid as well, because this is very long lasting, and because I will be doing a lot of eating and all, this will sustain all of that. And then the other lipstick that I really like is this one. This is again by L'Oreal Paris. L'Oreal Paris actually makes one of the best lipsticks, let's admit that. So this is 540 Le Nude Unstoppable, and it's a very beautiful satiny finish lipstick. This is what I'm wearing right now. It is again a very, very beautiful color for all the Indian skin tones. For this, it also lasts a pretty long time, even though it is a satiny finish lipstick, and it just looks so nice. It's a beautiful color for day, for night. You can wear it on anything, honestly. These are really beautiful colors. Like, maybe I'll give you a swatch of this one. This is the color. I'm not sure if you'll be able to see, so I'm going to give you a close-up for sure. And this is, both of these are brown, you know, brown color nudes. So the liquid lipstick, the top one is slightly deeper, and this one is slightly lighter, and this is what it looks like. So it's very, very pretty. I love both of these lipsticks a lot. Moving on to the last but not the least is a kitchen item. How can I not show you guys some crockery? So I really like this brand Nastasia. So every time I'm overthinking something negative, I'd rather scroll for some crockery on Amazon. And this is what happened. This is the result of my overthinking. I really liked this set of bowls. Sadly, it comes in a set of 6. So if you have a smaller family, you might rethink before purchasing it. But what I loved about these bowls, apart from the design and stuff, I love ceramic stuff, but I loved the whole designing. It's a very beautiful, I think, a very abstract thing or a tribal thing. I don't know. Love the color. I love everything about it, like the design and stuff. They also have a cup in the similar color with the same design, but that was not available, and I'm looking forward to it. I want them to restock that up so that I can purchase it, because I love the bowl so much. I love the size. It's the perfect portion size that I go for, be it dal chawal, or basically I try to eat my cornflakes in this one. So it's the perfect size for fruits, if you want to eat a fruit salad or normal salad, or if you want to eat dal chawal, Maggi, whatever. It is such a perfect size, and you get 6 of these. So if you break one, you always have backup. Don't break, it's expensive, but I really love this, so I went for this because I have a lot of use for this, honestly. So it's really pretty. I would highly recommend, checking out Nastasia for crockery. Slightly heavy because it is ceramic, but then who cares? It's a good workout in itself. So guys, that was everything that I shopped for Eid. Hope you've liked my video. If you did, then please do not forget to give this video a thumbs up. Be a part of this beautiful family by subscribing to my channel and hit onto that bell notification as well. That's going to give you updates on my future videos. If you want to know me a little extra, please make sure that you follow me on Instagram as well. I would love to know which is your favorite piece from my haul, and also let me know if you have done your Eid shopping, if you celebrate Eid. So thank you so much for watching, guys. I'll see you in my next video very soon. Till then, take very good care of yourself. I love you all so much. Bye, guys. Bye.